Hey there everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be day 5. In this video series, I am showing you step by step each day the email to send to promote your HBA or Home Business Academy business. Please be sure to check out day 1 in the description, or if you are new to the series, make sure you don't miss out on any of the content to help support you in growing this business. What we're going to do is first go into the Word document down in the description below. Make sure that you go ahead and grab a copy, make a copy for yourself if you haven't done so already. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to day number 4 or email number 4. Then all we're going to do is copy and paste the subject and the body back over into our MLGS account. We're going to click on that mailing system, make sure we grab all of our leads, scroll down, drop our subject right there. Come down, we're going to hit Control A. Actually, come back over and we'll grab all of this first. So copy and come back over and hit Control A, Control V, Control A one more time. We'll hit that bold. Go ahead and change our font size to 16. And then, as I always like to do, just change this to normal div. Feel free to come in here if you want to clean up some of the spaces. I usually like just to leave one space in between. That way it just looks nicer. And then, as always, add your name here to the bottom. We're also going to go back over and we'll need to grab your affiliate link. So if you've been following the series, step 1 over here is just to have a quick reference, and you want to right click to copy this, otherwise it's just going to grab the link. You'll want to come back over here, and there's a couple places to plug that in for today's email. So we'll go over here. Oh, if it ever does this, what you need to do is come up here and just highlight another area of the page, and then it will give you the ability to click on that link again, that link button. So you can drop that link right in. Let's see if it does it again. Do it right here. Now it's working correctly. So then we'll hit OK. Make sure you go back, and I recommend bolding both of those links. And then make sure that you add your name right here. Double check it, and then you're going to click that perfect timing box. I've already sent mine for today, so you'll see that preview button and submit over here in the bottom right hand corner. Be sure to double check your email before you send it, and then go ahead and click submit. Remember, you can always add additional MLGS accounts at any time. Then just repeat the process for each one. This will just increase the visibility of your HBA offer to more and more people each and every day. And if you add another account under yourself, you will actually get double the leads on your original account. So instead of getting 100 leads per day, you'll be seeing 200 leads per day, as I've been receiving by having additional people that are following this strategy. All right, that's it for day number 4. Take care, and we'll see you tomorrow for day number 5.